Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the setFloat32 method. So what it does, it stores a 32-bit signed float, float object, float element. So and the its number, so it's have a specified byte offset value from the start of the data. So what I'm gonna do is just uh, the create a buffer, and and then what I'm gonna do is use the equals, use the new operator, and array buffer, and pass 16 bits. And now what I'm gonna do is create view as a view variable and new data view, and pass the buffer, the buffer. And now what I'm gonna do is as I told you earlier, when you use the set float 32, it gonna use the we need to pass something like, and whoever you want to pass, so it's begin with 1 and comma, like you can pass anything like this, it should be numbered like this, anything. But what I'm gonna pass is math.py, and log it on a console, view dot get float 32 and pass 1. I pass 1 here as a position, and then what I'm gonna do is use this. So to get that, this is what the go hand in hand with this method. So when we do that, the py value is here now. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.